Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today in this video I am going to show you our visit to a mini zoo which is situated in a small town named Ubayrah in the hailcity. The route from the main city center of the Hail to this place is so beautiful. You can view a lot of big and beautiful mountains throughout the route. I will pin the location in the description box too. But unfortunately the map don't show the exact location. Actually this zoo is situated behind a big mountain and still could not build any proper road, and the road is so uneven and stony, so could happen many visitors reached at their destination but got confused and couldn't find that where this zoo is actually situated. But anyways, we really enjoyed a whole trip of that place. Entry fee for adults was just 10 Saudi riyal per person, and for the kids under age 5 it's free. This park is open from the morning, but it's better, and I prefer you that it's better you should go after 2 p.m. Although it's a very small place, but you can see a lot of animals here like ostrich, llama, lambs, monkey, dog, ducks, which really fascinated you and your kids. I must say that it's a great place for the horse riders, the people who love to ride on the horses. They have the well-trained horses of many colors, and the good thing is that the ladies can also enjoy the horse riding at a separate portion, which is obviously very convenient. You can ride in those horses at a very reasonable prices too. 10 riyal for half hour and 20 riyal for 1 hour, which is obviously too much reasonable. And they offer you many small cafes and canteens too. You can enjoy here your time with the mountains surrounding under the bright palm trees, which obviously feels so much satisfying. If you love this place, kindly go and check out. You will definitely love it too. And also share your reviews at the comment section of this video. I hope you like this video too. If you like my videos, so click on the like button, share it to your friends too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.